can you work upon it? You check in my office, there's this and this. Then he said, okay, you give me this. Just a moment, I was still inside here with the students, but please, I'm about.
Asudu kirabira ebiyona yabigamba hamushumo gwa karimagyezi na ICT workshop ogwabaguriye Harper Academy kushanga muri Shaka municipality Bushenyi district kandi ogu gwayitabwa mu bakuru b'amashomero agabantu buntu.
What does that mean? It's not in school. Yes, please, boss. Can you do this and this? Oh, yes. I've taken students for practical in agriculture. I cannot get teachers so and so. The school is not operating. What should be done at that time? You who is calling, you know the program. Those who are supposed to implement, they are not implementing the program. Then how do you move? Their biometric is a responsibility. Putting to attention the teachers, the head teachers, enhancing supervision of the teachers in the school. Even you can decide to put it on the classes. And you say, when you are clocking in the class, I monitor the timetable, I check you, and I know you have entered. Now the next thing, if you are not doing well, you put cameras, even to see what is happening in the classes. Because outside we can see you. So, where, in a nutshell, when learners don't achieve, parents withdraw learners from our schools.
Kirabirana higa bakuru b'amashomero aba okurebeka ngo amashomero gabo bayerinda kumana bagahindura mu amarwarro kuko amashomero agandugona gose rene gakora.
Even we are talking about this issue of transforming our schools into health centers. It has brought, we got a living example from that school, Nadia. Yes, big school for members of parliament. Treatment. You treat a student, you treat a kid in your school. In schools we give first aid. This is first aid treatment we give as you wait for parents to pick.
Josephine Ali kandor gukora nk'umushuganisa w'ekitongore cha Planet System nagambira abakuru b'amashomeraga hari kugira ngo encourage neja kuba yambaho mu kucendezo kuoshayosha kw'abashomesa.
Through the teller system, you're going to be able to monitor your teachers. You will be able to know, okay, I have 10 teachers in my school. So within the teller system, there is an interface where you go to and you're able to know that from Monday to Friday, for all my 10 teachers, they all came. Or you will understand that out of your 10 teachers, only 2 teachers come to school.
Rosette Kebirungi okurwa mu kitongore nico kimwe cha Planet System nashobora kugira ngo nibija kurebeka ngo bayetorori hanga ryona omukwegesa amashomero okubine okukoresa obuherezo obu.
This time turiyo mu Ankora region cyonza kuzana kigezi sakavaringi hanga ryona nizo batwatse Bushenyi para academy batwine Mtoma Rubirizi
Dana Mujenyi kandi orukurira ebyobwegese omu municipality ya Bushenyi wena higa bakuru b'amashomero aba okorekeraho muze ogwo kuhinda gutora abashomesa bwashesha bwira.
Changing workers like shirts. For me, when we are in our meetings, in the meeting of term 1, you have a teacher X. Term 2, there is a new face. It is not acceptable. If you are going to run an institution, stabilize it and have sense and get results. 2 days to PLE or UC exams, the head charge has gone. The one who just started exams on the center still has credentials.
Mujenyi wana nayongera higa bakuru b'amashomeraga okurebeka ngo bagendera hanjenderwaho ya government eyero kubetireho
either basic requirements and minimum standards or government policies in the act or any other. You know, there is a thinking that maybe sometimes those policies apply to government schools. No, they apply to all of you. You need to comply. When we are going through terror, a lot was not mentioned that we already have aims registering and uploading learners on the systems. We have been struggling. In my municipality, you know, many schools have done it so well. They are private schools. When you do something, they will do it fast.
Bakuru b'amashomero abayita bo mushomogo nabasima government ahubwo ko baretera umushomongogo kandi nabagira ngogo nagwija kuba yamba omukutunga record z'amashomero gabo.
Nayo nene tracking abana most especially mu mashomero gatakuraza. Abana batendinga izoba abatatendinga so ne taking a record byone kugena ngai
Makoraga gashakwa Olivia Nasasra ahabwa Sky TV.